Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about that one Python tuples. This is another data structure concept. So Python tuples, it's one of the data structure, or you can call it like one of the collection type. In that our previous session, we have discussed about list, right? Same way, this is also going to support for storing that multiple values. So in this lesson, we are going to learn another important Python data structure, tuples. For a beginner, don't worry, we will understand tuples using simple examples and practical use cases. By the end, you will learn what is a tuple, why tuples are useful, what immutability means, what packing and unpacking are, important tuple operations. What is a tuple? Tuple is a collection of multiple items stored in a single variable, same like a list. Tuples are written inside round brackets. See, in the list we have written within the square bracket, but tuples it will be written with a round bracket. So tuple can store numbers, text, or mixed data. Tuples help us group related value together. Same. Let's get into that our Visual Studio. I'll create that one new file. Yeah, just Jupyter Notebook. Open it. Fruits. Square bracket. Instead of the square bracket, we have to use the round bracket. We can use this one apple, comma, second value, banana, third value, grades, like this, right? So this is the type of that values. So if you're writing this one, fruits, you can see that one. Type of function, you can see that. What is the type? It's a tuple. It's a tuple, right? So tuple, you can use it for storing that one multiple values, but tuple actually you have to create using that round bracket, right? Imagine a train ticket, the real-time example. It contains fixed details that belong together: passenger name, train number, seat number. What is this one? See here, ticket, square bracket, passenger name, and a PNR number, and coach number, something. Execute. See here. Okay, I'm getting that collection of values in a single variable. What is the advantage of using tuple? The same values I can use it in the list also, right? See here, tickets. I'll try to have it like a list, right? And right here the comma, the quote is the problem. Quote is the problem here. Now tickets, it's also giving the same value. What is the difference between this one, this one? See here, it contains a fixed detail that belong together. The values usually should not change. That's why the tuple should protect at constant like data. Actually, ticket values should not be changed. It should not be changeable actually. But the tickets, if it is stored in that format of list, we can change that values, right? For example, tickets of, right? Silva, this value, we need to change it into Paul, right? Tickets of this one. So here, what is the index which I have to mention, right? Tickets of 0. The Paul, what is this one? Tickets. Now Silva changed into Paul. It should not allow to change that values. See, in the ticket, now I'll take the ticket. The ticket, what is that one? It's a tuple type one. Now, what I'm trying, actually, ticket of 0, it is returning that indexing based values it is returning. the same value, I'm trying to change it to pod. See here, tuple object does not support item assignment. Item assignment does not support item assignment. It will not allow to assign that values. It will not allow to replace the values because this is a immutable. This is immutable, right? So here, whenever or wherever you want to keep that values which you don't want to change it, now you can go with that one tuple. That's the reason. Here we are saying, why do we need tuples? Sometimes we want to store multiple values together, but we don't want those values to be modified by mistake. In such a case, a tuple is a good choice. Tuple makes code safer when data should remain unchanged. So weekdays are always going to be same days only. The weekdays value should not change. It should not be editable. It should not be mutable, right? Then we can use that weekdays values in the tuple format, right? So accessing tuple values using that indexing, yes, indexing it will support same like a list. So here, I'm going to use this one ticket of 0. Just now I shown you. It is going to return that value. Ticket of 1, yes, and reverse also it is going to restore same like a list. So from the reverse, ticket of 1, 2, right? That indexing. So 2 not 2 minus 1, 1 only, right? 3. So this is a starting index and this is a n minus 1 index. So slicing also it will support. So negative indexing it will support and slicing it will support. So for getting that multiple values, you can use that slicing. So tuple supporting slicing like a list. Tuples are immutable. Just now we've seen it. Immutable means a tuple cannot be changed after creation. We cannot update, add or remove the items directly. This is the main difference between the list and tuple. Tuples are fixed and protected from accidental changes. It will not allow to changes. This is the difference between the list and tuple. So use square bracket for creating the list. Can be changed means it is immutable, best for flexible data. But tuple, you have to use that round brackets. Cannot be changed, best for fixed data. Tuple packing. Packing means storing multiple values into one tuple. Python can also pack values without writing brackets. Python automatically treats them as a tuple. This is called tuple packing. What is the meaning of it? See here, just I'll take this one, marks. See here. So something 50, 60, 70. This marks, it will not be editable. Okay. So here we know that one marks it will return. And if you want to confirm that one type of marks, yes, it will return that tuple. Right? See here, I'll take that on another one. Okay, show shopping. The shopping, for example, shopping. I'll give that to values. Same milk, comma, right? Bread, comma, sugar. I'm not giving any bracket, either square bracket or round bracket. Just I'm going to give this multiple values. Run it. It's running. I'll try to see that output. See here, what is this one? I'm getting in the format of tuple. I can confirm that one, type of shopping. See here, what is the type of tuple? This is called packing. This is called packing. If you are not mentioning that any bracket, square bracket or round bracket, but you are using that multiple values now, then by default it will take it like a tuple type. So this is called packing. This is called Python automatically treats them as a tuple. This is called tuple packing. Tuple packing. Tuple unpacking. What is the meaning of tuple unpacking? See here, I have that values. So passenger. Okay. So here the name Silva and ticket number something and seat number, coach number and seat number something. Yeah. Passenger. Yes. And type also we can confirm it. Passenger, run it, tuple, right? So here, what I'm going to do, name and ticket number, coach equal to passenger. What is this passenger? Passenger is my tuple. Run it. Now print this one. See, from the tuple, if you want to assign that values into that any variable, yes, you can do it. Yes, coach. See, this is called unpacking. This is called unpacking. Unpacking means taking tuple values into separate variables. Names gives this hello, age, job, whatever it is. Unpacking makes code neat and easy to read. Single element tuple. What is the meaning of single element tuple? See here, t equal to 5 or 4. What is this one? This is a normal single variable assignment. The same one, I'm trying to give it like tuple, right? So here, type of t. See here, it is not considered like a tuple. It's considered like an integer only. It's considered like a integer only. Single values, if you are assigning using the round bracket, it will not consider like a tuple. Then how I can give it that one? Now execute. See, now it's considered like a tuple. So you have to put that comma. So in that some of the scenario, if you are having that one only one value, but that values the beginning level, you have to store it like in the tuple format. Later you may add that any value. That's a different scenario. But the single value, if you want to do it now, so the tuple format now, you have to use this comma. You have to use this comma. So just an integer. Single values now, this will be considered again just an integer. The comma makes it as a tuple. So useful tuple operations. Length function, index function, count function. Length function, same purpose. Getting that count, length of marks, right? Marks dot index of some values. What is that values? What are the values we are having for the marks? And I think we have this one 50, 60, 70, something we are having. It's okay, fine. I'm going to give that 60. It's in one index function, right? Marks dot count of 50, same purpose. How many 50s are available? Only one available. That's the purpose. Okay, so useful tuple operations. So practical example, the ticket one. We have seen that one, ticket one, the same way you can use it. So student information also you can use this one. Student, what is the student mark? Student equal to, so here same values I'm giving John. Okay, and what is this number and a grade, something A plus. So John's value should not change. John's value should not change. But if you want to find out that one, name student of 0, it is going to return that value single is. Okay. So real programs use tuples for records, coordinates, days, and fixed settings. So it should not change it. So and same time it is going to support for storing that multiple values. Okay. So list and tuple both are that data structure types only. Both are going to be used for that storing that multiple values in a single variable. But tuples, but list, it's a mutable, and tuple, it's a immutable. That means you cannot change that any values. So tuple stores multiple values in one variable. Tuple use indexing and slicing like string and list. Tuples are immutable, so they cannot be changed. Packing stores multiple values into a tuple. Unpacking separate tuple values into variables. Methods like len, count, and index are useful. Okay, this is the concept of tuple. Thank you. So we'll see it again in the next topic.